Hi friends, today video about Oukitel K16 luxury mini business phone.
Life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
The K16 is made to be small and light without compromising its performance or toughness. The Oukitel K16's body measurements of 120.5 by 58.5 by 15.7 mm are considered typical. There are numerous color variations available for the K16. The Android OS version 13.0, which also provides an elegant and user-friendly UI, has increased the overall performance and usability of the Oukitel K16. Android, as an open-source operating system, provides complete access to its source code for inspection, modification, and customization. The Mediatek MT8788V chipset powers the K16's performance, ensuring rapid and effective performance. A powerful octa-core CPU powers the Oukitel K16's performance, allowing it to handle demanding programs and provide lag-free, fluid performance. A family of graphics processing units known as the Mali G72MP3 GPU was created by ARM Holdings and is frequently found in many mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets. The 3.5-inch screen is easy to grip and use with one hand because of its compact size and portability. The display on the K16 has a resolution of 720 by 1280 pixels. With its multi-touch display, the Oukitel K16 provides a customizable user interaction experience. The K16's large memory capacity of 8 GB encourages efficient system resource utilization, reducing slowdowns and providing a more fluid overall user experience. This displays careful consideration of the needs of consumers. A smartphone with more RAM performs better and can handle complex tasks with ease, making multitasking easier and ensuring a more responsive and fluid user experience. The K16 greatly boosts storage space with its amazing 128 GB internal storage, letting you carry all of your digital media, including movies, TV shows, ebooks, and more. With the K16's expandable storage, you may tailor the amount of storage space your device has to fit your changing digital needs. The K16 smartphone's 48MP back camera system is designed for simplicity and ease, with a single lens that meets users' fundamental photographic needs. The Oukitel K16's camera is capable of focusing. This smartphone's autofocus camera feature, which fine-tunes the camera's focus, is fantastic. The K16 has an LED flash on the back that allows users to snap well-lit images and document crucial events even in low-light situations. With the K16's 8MP selfie camera, users can create self-portraits and record memories from their distinct viewpoints. The K16 smartphone includes a GPS receiver, which provides users with accurate and consistent position data for a variety of applications such as mapping, geolocation, and fitness monitoring. Users of the K16 with NFC compatibility can simply transfer content by putting their device close to other NFC-compatible devices. Users can listen to a choice of radio stations using the K16's built-in FM radio receiver without the need for an internet connection. The USB Type-C port on the K16 smartphone improves the user experience by enabling high-speed data transfer and charging. Despite the lack of a 3.5mm headphone jack on the K16 smartphone, you may still listen to music by linking Bluetooth speakers or headphones. The K16 smartphone's non-removable Li-ion 3050 mAh battery provides great battery backup. Smartphone Li-ion batteries have various advantages, including high energy density, lightweight and compact design, low self-discharge rate, lack of memory effect, faster charging, and a longer lifespan. A proximity sensor, a clever component that detects the presence of objects or hands in close proximity, is built into the K16 smartphone, enabling practical touchless interactions and better functionality. The ambient light sensor, an innovative component included in the K16 smartphone, intelligently modulates the display brightness of the device based on the ambient lighting conditions for the most pleasant viewing experience. The K16 smartphone's hardware includes an accelerometer sensor, which allows it to collect precise data on motions and changes in speed. The K16 smartphone incorporates a cutting-edge sensor that precisely detects and tracks device rotation and orientation. This enables a wide range of immersive experiences. The K16 smartphone's built-in compass, which provides precise direction information, enables users to comfortably navigate undiscovered territory and effortlessly explore new locations. The K16 smartphone supports dual SIM, allowing users to utilize two SIM cards simultaneously, increasing network coverage and improving communication. This smartphone is intended to provide better connectivity. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so